Building Blocks of Mathematics, Division by Joseph Midthun and Samuel Hitti. Brought to you by Junior Library Guild. Table of Contents. What is division? Three's Company. In the bag. Rocks in boxes. Walking around. Camping out. Division in the wild. Division and friends. Division facts. Find out more. Note to educators. What is division? Hello, I'm division. You can use me to separate groups of things into equal parts. Imagine you have a set of objects and you want to split the objects into equal groups. Split. I can help with that. Come on, let's take a peek at how it works. Zoop. Three's Company. Hey, addition. Hey, multiplication. What are you up to? Well, we found some seashells, a total of 9. We're trying to split them up between us, but we can't figure out how to do it equally. Why don't I lend you a hand? Would you? We could split the shells between the 3 of us. That's fine with me, as long as we split them equally. Easy. I would write 9 divided by 3 like this. Let's try counting the shells into equal groups of 3 until we run out. Great idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at this. Now we have 3 groups of 3. Now, why didn't I think of that? When you multiply 3 groups by 3, it looks like this. And when you divide 9 into 3 groups, it looks like this. I can see you two need a little more practice with dividing. Let's go. In the bag. Tweet! Okay, that's enough for now. Why don't we just clear the field? Start with these 12 soccer balls. Okay, got it, coach. 12 balls. Let's divide the balls up equally into these 4 duffel bags. So how many balls will fit in each bag? Well, we could put them away one at a time until we find out. Yeah, we could. That would take a while. Wouldn't it be faster if we try adding 2 balls to each bag instead? There's an idea. Count them up. Okay, show off. 2, 4, 6, 8, done. We still have 4 balls left over. 4 balls left over and 4 bags to put them in. Why don't we add 1 more ball to each bag? I got this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good one. We fit 3 balls in each bag. So now the balls are divided equally among the bags. Woohoo! See how we divided 12 evenly into 4 groups of 3. If we wrote it as an equation, it would look like this. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Heads up! Now that's what I call teamwork. Goal! Rocks in boxes. Have you ever seen my rock collection? No. I have 15 agates. Cool. Psst. Agates is pronounced agates. Whenever I'm finished looking at my agates, I put them in special boxes to keep them safe. Each box holds 5 rocks. So how many boxes do you need in all? I can help. We just need to find out how many groups of 5 are in 15. Let's write it out like this. 15 divided by 5 equals. We can solve this by separating the rocks into sets of 5. I'm in. I can help too. 5, 10, 15. There are 3 groups of 5. So you need 3 boxes to hold all the rocks. I knew that. Hey y'all, I happen to know another way to solve this problem. Subtraction. You started with 15 rocks, right? And you know you can fit 5 in each box. But did you know that instead of counting up by fives until you reach 15, you can also count back by fives with me until we reach 0? Let's take a closer look. 15 minus 5 equals 10. So that's one box of rocks. 10 minus 5 equals 5. That's 2 boxes of rocks. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 3 boxes of rocks. Now that's what I call thinking outside the box with agates. Walking around. We can walk 3 kilometers in 1 hour. We use kilometers to measure distance. If we continue on at this pace, how many hours will it take us to walk a distance of 18 kilometers? We can write the problem as an equation like this. 18 divided by 3 equals. Can we use a number line to help? Sure. Let's count up by 3 kilometers, or km. 3 kilometers, that's 1 hour. 6 kilometers, 2 hours. 9 kilometers, 3 hours. 12 kilometers, 4 hours. 15 kilometers, 5 hours. We're close. 18 kilometers, that's 6 hours. How many groups of 3 did we add? I counted 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. Are we there yet? If we walk 3 kilometers per hour, it will only take us 6 hours to walk 18 kilometers. Camping out. I packed 28 graham crackers for all of us to share. My absolute favorite. I separated the crackers into 4 baggies so that we each get the same amount. How much is that? Well, let's see if you 3 can figure it out. Counting out 28 into 4 groups would take a while. Yeah, and I'm hungry. Yeah. Good thing I know how we can solve this problem fast. Follow me. Watch. We can split 28 in half to make the solution easier to see. I see 2 groups of 14. Good eye. We can also divide each group of 14 into 2 groups. 4 groups of 7. That's 7 crackers each. We could always write it out like this. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. I shouldn't have eaten so fast. Yeah, that was a bad idea. I'm beat. Let's hit the hay. Zzz, zzz. Where are the others? Still sleeping. Let's take a walk. Division in the wild. Look, a grizzly bear in its natural habitat. Wow, if that bear catches exactly 7 salmon an hour, how many hours will it take the bear to catch 35 fish altogether? We can use division to find out. 35 divided by 7 equals. We need to find out how many groups of 7 are in 35. That will tell us how many hours it will take. Why not count up by 7s on a number line? Munch, 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 munch. 1 hour, 7. 2 hours, 14. 3 hours, 21. 4 hours, 28. 5 hours, 35. If the grizzly bear catches 7 salmon per hour, it will take 5 hours to catch 35 fish. It seems as though this bear has stored up a little extra fat for the winter. You'd better believe it. Actually, I've gained 21 kilograms over the past 3 weeks. Kilograms are a measurement of weight. If the bear gained the same amount of weight each week, how much did it gain in just 1 week? Write it like this. 21 divided by 3 equals. We need to divide 21 into 3 groups. Each group represents 1 week. Let's use 5 kilogram weights. Let's add 5 kilograms to each group. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. It's not enough. We have 6 kilograms left over. Can we divide 6 into 3 groups? Sure can. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Then let's add 2 kilograms to each group. Now we have 3 equal groups of 7 kilograms. 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. So the bear gained 7 kilograms a week for 3 weeks. Shh. 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 I know a way that we could check your work. Shh. Sorry. We can use the multiplication facts we already know. How do you mean? Well, we know that 6 times 3 is 18. That's 6 groups of 3. So we can start at 18 and count up to find out how many more groups of 3 are in 21. Okay, show us on a number line. At 18, we are only 3 away from 21. So that's 1 more group of 3 for a total of 7 groups. So your answer was right. The bear gained 7 kilograms in 1 week. Thanks, multiplication. Division and friends. As you can see, there is a lot you can accomplish with division. Yeah, even I have to admit, you're pretty complex. You never know when you might need to use me. And if you have trouble when you do, just remember, my friends can help. You can always count on me anytime. We'll take your troubles away. Just keep practicing. There is always more to learn. And if you ever need to separate groups into equal amounts, you know who to call. Me. I'm division.